Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off zoom on iPhone home screen. So first of all, go ahead to your browser, and basically if you want to turn off the zoom in settings on your device, if you can't access settings because your home screen icons are magnified, double tap the three fingers on the display to zoom out. So to turn off zoom, go to the settings, accessibility, zoom, and tap to turn the zoom off. Go back to your screen and then go ahead to your settings, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and find accessibility, and after you find accessibility, you're gonna just see right here zoom, and make sure that you toggle this one off. Okay, and once you toggle this one off, as you can see right here, my home screen is quite zoomed in, right? So basically you could just see my home screen zoomed in. If you want to get back or click on the zoom out, you're gonna be able to do as I said before, to click the zoom, and you're gonna be able to zoom out. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.